Bitcoin price may hit $100,000 by year-end, Standard Chartered Bank says. A report from the firm noted that the crypto winter is finally over and Bitcoin halving is set to be a positive catalyst for the price. Crypto winter is finally over and Bitcoin, BTC, the world's largest cryptocurrency, has the potential to reach $100,000 by year-end, according to a research report by Standard Chartered Bank. The climb to $100,000 could be driven by a number of factors, including the recent banking sector crisis that helped to re-establish Bitcoin's use as a decentralized scarce digital asset, the bank said in the report on Monday. Against this backdrop, Bitcoin has benefited from its status as a branded safe haven, a perceived relative store of value and a means of remittance, analyst Jeff Kendrick wrote. Bitcoin has gained 65% since the start of the year. It rose above $30,000 last week for the first time in almost a year. It was recently trading at $27,328, down 1.2% in the past 24 hours. The report also noted one of the drivers for the price to reach $100,000 is the broader macro backdrop for risky assets gradually improving as the Federal Reserve nears the end of its tightening cycle. While BTC can trade well when risky assets suffer, correlations to the Nasdaq suggest that it should trade better if risky assets improve broadly, Kendrick said. Standard Chartered expects Bitcoin's share of the entire crypto market capitalization to rise back to the 50 to 60% range. The Bitcoin dominance rate is now around 47%, according to data from TradingView. It was around 40% during the fallout of Silicon Valley Bank in mid-March. Bitcoin's upcoming halving, the process whereby the rewards for mining a new block gets halved every 4 years, is also poised to be a positive driver for Bitcoin, Kendrick wrote. As we approach the next halving, we expect cyclical drivers to become more constructive, as they have in previous cycles, he said. Bitcoin retakes $29,000 amid First Republic Bank uncertainty. Bitcoin bounced back after shares in First Republic Bank tumbled, reigniting the cryptocurrency's value proposition as a safe haven asset. Bitcoin hit highs above $29,000 Wednesday morning, amid fears of a new U.S. banking crisis as shares in First Republic Bank tumbled 50%. The price of Bitcoin hit a high of $29,173 per CoinGecko data, and is currently trading at just under $28,950, up 5.7% on the day. However, Bitcoin is yet to recover fully from its recent slump, and remains down 4.7% on the week. Shares in the San Francisco-based First Republic Bank nosedived Wednesday morning following a dismal quarterly report in which it reported higher than expected withdrawals of over $100 billion in March, raising concerns about the solvency of the regional lender. The U.S. banking sector has faced challenges in recent months. In March, regulators shut down Signature Bank, while Silicon Valley Bank collapsed due to insolvency. The uncertainty has revived the narrative around Bitcoin's value proposition as a safe haven asset. Earlier this month, BitMEX CEO Arthur Hayes told Decrypt that crypto serves as a hedge against risk from the traditional banking system, warning that everyone is going to take an L unless they get some crypto or some gold, some hard asset that's outside of the traditional banking system. Bitcoin decouples from stocks. Gold also posted positive gains with a 0.75% rise on Wednesday, while the dollar index against other major global currencies, DXY, dropped by 0.31% due to wavering confidence in the U.S. banking system. Bitcoin's positive move came on the heels of a decline in the top stock market indices, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100. The two indices dropped severely on Tuesday, posting a 1.58% and 1.01% loss, respectively. The futures market for the indices shows further losses for the S&P 500 index, with slight gains for the tech-heavy index on April 26. The correlation coefficient indicator shows that Bitcoin's correlation with the stock market has dropped since the start of April, while its correlation with gold has gotten stronger. Bitcoin's price rise is also attributable to the prospect of fresh liquidity injections into the market from the Federal Reserve or other institutions, in the wake of uncertainty around First Republic Bank. Benjamin, co-founder of crypto analytics firm Jarvis Labs, told Decrypt that there is certainly buying interest on BTC whenever banking issues pop up. But that does not have to be a translation of liquidity actually coming into the market in this instance, but more due to anticipation that it will.